Surah, number 82, of Quran Majeed. The ending.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
إذا السماء انفطرت
When the sky is rent apart.
وإذا الكواكب انتثرت
When the stars are scattered.
وإذا البحار فجرت
When the seas are merged.
وإذا القبور بعثرت
When the graves are overturned.
علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت
Then a soul shall know what it has sent ahead and left behind.
يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم.
O man! What has deceived you about your generous Lord?
الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك.
Who created you and proportioned you, and gave you an upright nature.
في أي صورة ما شاء ركبك.
And composed you in any form that he wished.
كلا بل تكذبون بالدين.
No. Indeed, you deny the retribution.
وإن عليكم لحافظين.
Indeed, there are over you watchers.
كراما كاتبين.
Noble writers.
يعلمون ما تفعلون.
Who know whatever you do.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Indeed the pious shall be amid bliss.
وإن الفجار لفي جحيم.
And indeed the vicious shall be in hell.
يصلونها يوم الدين.
Entering it on the day of retribution.
وما هم عنها بغائبين.
And they shall not be absent from it.
وما أدراك ما يوم الدين.
And what will show you what is the day of retribution.
ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين.
Again, what will show you what is the day of retribution.
يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله.
It is a day when no soul will be of any avail to another soul, and all command that day will belong to Allah.